Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial of Wix. So today I'm going to show you the setting of Wix menu. So it is a menu, it is a horizontal menu and it is currently a desktop view, you can see. So what I will show you currently is to stretch a horizontal menu. So currently it's in the middle and these are the grid lines on the left and right. So you can click on stretch and stretch to full width. Now it's covering the whole side, the whole width across the page from cut to cut, from left to right. So this is how you can do it. Otherwise, you can also set custom margins like this 50, 100, or maybe like 150, 200, like this. 200 it's not taking, but it will take 190 the last. This is how you can do it. You can also add percentage based on it. It is not taking more than 5%. You can add 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Means it's not custom right now. It's set to a full width. So if I right now give it a color which is doesn't allow give us this is how it will look. But I would suggest that you keep this in the middle view only because here you will have a logo and here you can also have a CTA or if your site is e-commerce based then you can have a card and the login area. So this video was about this only about the stretching of horizontal menu. So I hope you understood. Please try it on your own, try it yourself on your website and let me know in the comments if you understood it or not. So thanks for watching.